Hi, I'm going to show you how to convert Facebook account to page. First of all, we want to open Facebook. For this, just click on Facebook. Facebook will start to open in front of you. Once Facebook is open in front of you, here you will see the profile button at the top left side of your mobile. So, click on it. After that, a new tab will start to open in front of you. Once it's open, here you can see this is my Facebook profile, and we just want to convert this account into a page. You can see I have a lot of friends who are added with me on Facebook. Now, we will see how to convert this Facebook account to a page. For this, just scroll up right here, and then you will see 3 dots at the center of your mobile screen. Just click on it. After clicking, a new page will open in front of you. Once it's open, at the bottom of that screen, you will see the button Turn on Professional Mode. Click on that button. After clicking, a new page will be open in front of you. Once it's open, just click on the Turn On button, which is located at the bottom of your mobile screen. After clicking, a loading will start right here. It will not take too much time, and then that kind of format will appear in front of you. Right here, just click on the Continue button. After clicking on Continue, the professional dashboard format will open in front of you. Once it's open, then now we will check if our account has converted into a page. For this, just go to the Profile section. Once the Profile section is open in front of you, here you will see our overall friends are now my followers on my Facebook page.